Hi, my name is Christine Cherbonnier. I'm a makeup artist, and today I'm going to show you how to draw on bigger, fuller lips. First, I take the foundation brush I use to apply my makeup, using the leftover foundation to create a bare canvas. I take my Sonia Kashuk angled brush and my Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate in 0.05 Cream Contour and Bronzer to create a shadow around my lips. I start from the outside of my lip and work in on both sides with the point of the angled brush facing out. As you can see, I'm creating a little shadow below my lip line and pressing it with my finger to buff it out. I also do it on the top from the outside in towards the cupid's bow. This is an old school makeup artist technique, creating shadow around the lip. I'm using a cream because I feel like it's easy to work with, so it's a good start if you're not used to creating shadows working with powders and creams. As you can see, when I flip my lip up, it is very far below my natural lip line. Don't worry, the shadow will make sense when we add color. I'm using one of my favorite lip liners. It's the Ink Trio by Shiseido in Mauve. I'm starting from the outside of my lip in towards the cupid bow on all sides, just like I drew on the shadow. I apply it on my natural lip line right below the shadow I created, so they sort of blend together on the edges. I also focus the color on the outer part of my lips, as you can see, leaving the inside of my lip bare. So I really focus that color to fill in the sides of my lips before I apply lipstick. I really like to make my top lip go out farther than my bottom lip. I feel like a larger, wider top lip also makes the lips look bigger. So I always go back, as you can see right here on the outer corners, it goes out past my lower lip line. Now I'm going to apply lipstick. This is the Chubby Stick by Clinique in Fuller Fig. I'm using a more sheer lipstick so you can see that this can be done without a matte, dramatic lip. After I apply my lips, I go back with the concealer brush and I just sort of wipe away any of that shadow if I feel like in the end I've gone too far out around my lip line. I hope you guys enjoy watching my bigger, fuller lip trick. This is just for fun. I love drawing my lips on, so if you do want to try a shadow for bigger, fuller lips, this is a really good technique. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.